So that the triangle yes. So that the triangle formed by the straight line
স্যার ভিডিওতে ক্লিয়ার আসছে না।
ঠিক
Sir,
আছে
airport
Yes,
to
sir.
sir. Hi, sir. Please,
Now it is clear.
so now it's clear, sir.
এখন ঠিক আছে
Yes, sir.
নো স্যার।
ওকে so that the triangle formed by the straight line x square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0 and the straight line lx plus my equals to 1 is so that the triangle formed by the straight lines this equation means two straight lines. Okay, and the another straight line that means there are third straight line. Then the triangle formed by these three straight line is right angle. First condition, the triangle will be right angle if a plus b into a l square plus 2h lm plus b m square equals to 0. Total three condition. Isosceles if h l square minus m square minus a minus b into lm equals to 0. And third condition, third case, equilateral if 3a plus b into a plus 3b equals to 4h square with h into l square minus m square equals to a minus b into lm. question is clear? This pair of straight line means x square plus 2h square plus by square. That means there are two straight line and the third straight line. Then the triangle formed by these three straight lines will be right angled if this condition holds. Will be isosceles. That means two sides are equal. If this condition holds, and equilateral, that means all the three sides are equal by length. Also, the angle will be the same. Then these two condition will hold. Okay. Solution. Let the separate equation of the given straight line be y equals to m1x and y equals to m2x. Then what are the condition? m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 equals to minus 2h by b and m1 m2 equals to a by b. Now this right on, this is this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and our third equation, that means lx plus my equals to 1. Let this is equation 3. Let's draw a picture. These two straight lines passing through origin. So this, sorry, okay, one line like this and another like this. This is y equals to, let this is y equals to m1x and this is y equals to m2x. Now the third straight line lx plus my equals to 1. This line this line will not pass through origin. So this line like this. Okay, this is our lx plus my equals to 1. Now the line on, the straight line 1 and straight line 2 will be perpendicular. What is the condition?
Sir, m1 m2 equal to -1.
Yes, this is the general condition. But what is the condition for a perpendicular of this two straight line for the case of pair of straight line? We thought in the previous class. The straight lines 1 and straight line 2 be at right angles if a plus b equals to 0. And there are another cases if they are coincident. If they are coincident, then a equals to b. Then h square equals to ab. If they are coincident, then h square equals to ab. And right angles if a plus b equals to 0. Of course, m1, m2 equals to -1. This is m2. And using these two conditions, we have a plus b equals to 0. Now, the straight line on B at right angle with straight line 3. The straight line on B at right angle with straight line 3. Sorry. If the straight line on B at right angle with straight line 3, then the condition is straight line on, that means M1. And what is the gradient of this line? What is the gradient of the straight line 3? What is the gradient of the straight line 3?
Minus L by M.
Yes, minus L by M. Then the condition is then M1 into minus L by M equals to 0. Sorry, not 0. This is -1. Then M1 into L by M equals to -1. Therefore, M1 equals to M by L. Then M1 equals to M by L. So if we denoting this 4 and 5 and let this is 6. These conditions M1 plus M2 equals to -2h by b, let this is 4. M1 M2 equals to a by b, this is 5. And this condition M1 equals to M by L, this is 6. Then from 4, 5 and 6 we have just put M1 instead put M by L instead of M1. Then this will be M by L plus M2 equals to -2h by b, and this will be M by L into M2 equals to A by B. Now eliminating M2. Eliminating M2, we have from this M2 equals to AL by BM. Okay, M2 equals to AL by BM. Then put this in this equation, M by L plus AL by BM equals to -2h by B. And by simple calculation, we have this is AL square BM square plus AL square by BLM equals to -2h by B. So AL square plus 2HLM. There will be, sorry, this is B 2h by B equal plus bm square equals to 0. So a plus b equals to 0. This is a condition. And a l square plus 2hlm plus bm square equals to 0. This is a condition for right angle triangle. Then the condition, then the triangle will be right angle if this condition holds simultaneously. Therefore, the triangle the triangle formed by the pair of straight line and the straight line 3 is right angle if a plus b into a l square plus 2 is lm plus b m square equals to 0. Okay. Now the second part. The triangle will be isosceles if this condition. The triangle will be isosceles if this condition h l square minus m square minus a minus b lm equals to 0. Now draw the picture again. This is our y equals to m1x. This is y equals to m2x. Let this point is A, the intersection point, and this point is B. Then what are the coordinates of the points A and B? First, what is the coordinate of the point A? What is the coordinate of the point A? Just solve these two equations. Just solve these two equation. Y equals to m1x, y equals to m2x, and lx plus my equals to 1. This is equation 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Then solve equation 1 and equation 3. You will get the coordinate of A. Just put in this equation. Then we have Lx plus M1x equals to 1. Lx plus M1x equals to 1. Then x equals to 1 by L plus M1. This is x. Then y equals to M1x. M1 into x. That means M1 by L plus M1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then the coordinate of the point. Therefore, coordinate of A. This is 1 by L plus M1. M1 by L plus M1. Similarly, coordinate of the point B. This is equals to 1 by L plus M2, and this will be M2 by L plus M2. Of course, this is our O, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. The triangle formed by the given pair of straight lines and the straight line 3 is isosceles if OA equals to OB. Is it clear? The triangle formed by this three straight line. This straight line means the pair of straight line, and the third straight line will be isosceles if OA equals to OB. That means OA square equals to OB square. Now, what is OA square? What is OA square? Just first say that. If the coordinate of one point is x1, y1 and coordinate of one point is x2, y2, then what is the distance between these 2 points?
x square plus y x sir y2 minus y1 এর হোল স্কয়ার প্লাস
Yes,
x2 minus x1 এর হোল স্কয়ার
the root.
রুট ওভার রুট
But in this case, there is a square, so the root is not applicable. So the coordinate of O is 0, 0. Okay, the coordinate of O is 0, 0, and the coordinate of A is this L1 by L plus M M1 and M1 by L plus M M1. So what will be the distance? So therefore, this will be 1 by L plus M M1. That means x1. I am writing that means x1 minus 0. Okay, the square of this plus this is y2, 1 plus M1 minus 0, and the square of this. This is x1 minus x2 square plus this is y1 minus y2 square. And the right side will be the same, 1 by L plus M2 square, M2 by 1 plus M2. Okay. Now this is on, not L. 1 plus m m1 square, 1 plus m1 square, 1 plus m2 square divided by, this is on or L? This is L, not on. On or L?
L, sir.
Yes, this is L. So this is L. Then this will be L square plus 2L m m2 plus m square m2 square into 1 plus m1 square. Simple cross multiplication. L square plus 2L m m1 plus m square m1 square into 1 plus m2 square. Then this will be L square plus 2L m m2 plus m square m2 square. Now this will be L square m1 square plus 2 L m m1 square m2 plus m square m1 square m2 square. This is right, left side is equals to L square plus 2L m m1 plus m square m1 square. Now this will be L square m2 square plus 2L m1 m1 m2 square plus m square m1 square m2 square. This is equals, sorry, not this. These two parts are equal. M square m1 square m2 square m square m1 square m2 square, and also this is L square, this is L square. Okay. Then this will be from these two parts. See this 2L m m2 and 2L m m1. Okay. If we take common 2L m, then this will be m2 minus m1. Now from this part, m square m2 square and m square m1 square. If we take common m square, then this will be m2 square minus m1 square. Okay. From these two part, this part now, L square m1 square and L square m2 square. If we take common L square, then this will be m1 square. Here first m1 square minus m2 square. Okay. And the last term, 2L m 2L m m1 m2, 2L m m1 m2, then m1 minus m2 equals to 0. 2Lm M1 M2 from these two part. 2Lm M1 M2, then there is my M1 and there is M2. So M1 minus M2. Okay. Now 2Lm into M2 minus M1 M square. M2 minus M1 M2 plus M1. Okay. This will be L square M1 plus, I'm writing this there. L square M1 plus M2 M1 minus M2 plus 2L M1 M2 M1 minus M2. Now see this. This is M2 minus M1. This is M2 minus M1. And here M1 minus M2. So if we change the sign, that is if we write here minus, then this will be M2 minus M1, and also same, this will be minus M2 minus M1. So we can write this 2Lm plus M square and into what is M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 means minus 2H by B. Then plus this L minus L square into minus 2H by B plus 2Lm into A by B. This is equals to 0. No, this is minus. Also, there is 2 common. So, BLM. This will be BLM minus 2HM square. No, this is minus HM square plus HL square minus ALM equals to 0. So, H into L square minus M square equals to minus A minus B. What is the condition? Minus A minus B into LM equals to 0. This is the condition. H into L square minus M square minus A minus B into LM. Okay. আর থার্ড কন্ডিশন তোমরা ট্রাই করবে, এই পার্টটা তো আছেই, এটা তো থাকবেই, এই যে এটা সেম আছে, এটা তোমরা ট্রাই করবে 3a plus b into a plus 3b equals to 4ac square, এটা ট্রাই করবে, তাহলে হয়ে যাবে ইকুইল্যাটারাল। না পারলে আমি বলে দেবো।
Sir? Sir? Hello, sir?
Huh?
Sir, in mathematics, which book should we follow?
This book. Advanced Analytical Geometry 2D and 3D of Ghosh and Chakraborty.
Okay, sir.
Okay. There's another problem. If on prove that prove that if on line of the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, be perpendicular to on line of the pair of straight line represented by a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square equals to 0. Then a dash minus b dash plus 4a h dash plus h b dash into a dash h plus h dash b. This is equals to 0. If see this, there are two straight lines and also there are two straight lines. The conditions says that and the one of the straight line of the pair of straight line and the one of the straight line of this pair of straight line are perpendicular. If the one of the straight line of this pair of straight line and one of the straight line of this pair of straight line are perpendicular, then this condition holds. let y equals to mx. Let y equals to mx. First, let this is x square plus 2xy plus by square equals to 0. This is equation 1. And a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square equals to 0. This is equation 2. Okay. Now let y equals to mx and y equals to minus 1 by mx be one of the straight line on of the line of equation 1 and 2 respectively. That means y equals to mx from this pair of straight line and y equals to minus 1 by mx from this pair of straight line. And since they are perpendicular, so we can take and in this form. If one is y equals to mx, then another will be y equals to minus 1 by mx. Since they are perpendicular. Okay. Now putting this equation in 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have put y equals to mx in this equation, then we have ax square plus 2h mx square, 2h mx square plus b m square x square equals to 0. And from this equation, we have a dash x square plus 2h dash h dash m, sorry, not m, 2h dash into minus 1 by m into x square plus b square by m square into x square equals to 0. This is b dash. Put this equation in, put this line in this equation, and this y equals to minus 1 by m in this equation. And from this we have a plus, that means bm square plus 2hm plus a equals to 0. bm square plus 2hm plus a equals to 0.
স্যার ওই সেকেন্ড ইকুয়েশনে স্যার বি রে স্কোয়ারটা হবে না স্যার, শুধু বি ডেস হবে।
Yes, this will be only b dash. Of course. And from this we have a dash m square. A dash m square minus 2 h dash m plus b dash. This is equals to 0. Now if we consider this is equation 3 and of m, and after cross multiplication we have m square by m by, do you know this process? What will be there?
স্যার ওই ক্রিস ক্রস গুণ হবে স্যার ওই
Yes, yes,
B
cross multiplication. Then there will be 2 dash minus minus plus 2 dash a. Okay, from this, then minus of this. Now m by this will be b dash minus a dash, and there this will be minus 2 dash b minus 2 a dash. Okay, so we have m square equals to
স্যার
m square equals to
হ্যালো
h b dash plus h dash a divided by minus h dash b plus h a dash. Okay, and m equals to b dash minus a dash divided by minus 2 h dash b plus h a dash.
হ্যালো স্যার
Yes,
স্যার এম এর নিচে প্যারামিটার যেটা আছে বি বি ড্যাশ মাইনাস এ এ ড্যাশ ওখানে মানে একটা
হ্যাঁ।
মাইনাস গুণ হবে কেননা সেকেন্ড প্যারামিটারে একটা মানে মাইনাস গুণ হয় না এর সাথে
না না,
মানে
ওটা এখানে নয়, এখানে বি ড্যাশ জাস্ট এই প্রসেসে বি ড্যাশ
আচ্ছা
মাইনাস অফ এ ড্যাশ,
ঠিক আছে
ওটা হয়
A
ডিটারমিনেন্ট।
স্যার ওটা এ এড্রেসটা তো আগে হয় স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি ওটাই বলছি এ ড্যাশটা আগে হয় মানে
না না না, ওটা এখানে না, এটা প্রথম থেকেই হবে আবার। তাই আচ্ছা, এ ড্যাশটা আগে হবে শিওর, ভুল হতেও পারে, দাঁড়াও।
স্যার মিডিলে তো এ ড্যাশ মাইনাস বি বি ড্যাশ হয়।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
মিডিলেরটা
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
ভুল হয়
এখানে এটা আগে হবে, ঠিক। তাহলে এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এরকম করে দাও, ইয়েস ইয়েস। এখান থেকে শুরু হলে হ্যাঁ, দেন এ ড্যাশটা আগে হবে অফকোর্স। a dash minus b dash, then this is right. So a dash, then minus of this. Okay, now this is m and this is m square, so we have h b dash plus h dash a divided by minus of h dash b plus h a dash. This is equals to a square of this. This is equals to a square of this. That means a dash minus b dash square divided by 4 into h dash b plus h a dash square. So finally we have a dash minus b dash square plus 4 a dash minus b dash square. This is h dash b h a dash. This is h dash b h a dash. So 4 into h dash b plus h a dash into h b dash minus plus h dash a equals to 0. H dash h dash h dash b h dash this is the condition. Okay. write two problems. If one of the straight lines x square plus 2 plus by square equals to 0, in the previous problem the condition was perpendicular. In this problem the condition is coincides. X square plus 2 plus b equals to 0 coincides with one of the straight line a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square equals to 0, and the remaining two straight lines are right angles. The remaining two straight lines are perpendicular. Then show that h into 1 by b minus 1 by a, this is equals to h dash into 1 by b dash minus 1 by a dash. The condition says that if this is straight line, that means y equals to m1x and y equals to m2x. Okay, and from the straight line, if y equals to m3x and y equals to m4x, see this. Then the condition says that m1 equals to m3. One of the straight lines are coincides. That means m1 equals to m3. And the second condition says that m2, m4 equals to minus 1. Is it clear? One of the straight lines are coincide. That means m1 equals to m3. In this condition, m1 equals to m3 and m4 equals to minus 1 by m2. Then we will get the result. If one of the bisectors of the angles between the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2axy plus by square equals to 0 coincides with one of the straight lines x square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, then show that h square into a plus b whole square equals to 2 h capital H minus capital B into a minus b to H capital H plus capital A into a minus b. This is the condition. This problem is almost similar to the problem 5. The difference is here these two if one of the bisects of the angle between the parametric line. First you have to find out the equation of the bisectors, and then the problem is similar to the problem 5. Geometry, transformation of axis, translation and rotation, invariants, application to general equation of second degree. Now next theory. This is also the second chapter of pair of straight line. The general equation of second degree. In the previous case, we consider only the homogeneous equation of second degree. But in now we will consider the general equation. General equation of second degree. Ax square plus 2axy plus by square. This is the second degree part. 2gx plus 2fy. This is the first degree part, and this is the constant term. Will represent a pair of straight line, but not passing through the origin in general. Will represent a pair of straight lines if the condition is ABC plus 2FGAs minus AF square minus BGA square minus CH square equals to 0. I'm just writing the condition. The proof is omitted. This general equation of second degree will represent a pair of straight line in general not passing through the origin if this condition holds. ABC plus 2FGA is minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equals to 0. And this is the necessary and sufficient condition. That means if this condition hold, then this equation will represent a pair of a straight line, and also vice versa. If this represents a pair of a straight line, then this condition hold. This is our equation on if the equation on represents two straight lines, if equation 1 represents two straight lines, then the point of intersection say alpha beta given by this alpha equals to HF minus BG divided by AB minus H square, and beta equals to GH minus AF divided by AB minus H square. This alpha beta will be the point of intersection of the two straight lines. So of course, if AB minus H square equals to 0, then the two straight line cannot intersect. If AB minus H square equals to 0, then the two straight line can't intersect. একটা থিওরেম আছে, আমি জাস্ট থিওরেমটা পুরোটা লিখছি না, জাস্ট ডেসক্রাইব করছি অনলি। x স্কয়ার প্লাস 2hxy প্লাস by স্কয়ার প্লাস 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Okay. And in this case, x square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. The theorem states that if this equation of general equation of second degree represents a pair of straight lines, see this. If this represents a pair of straight lines, then this part, only this part, represents a pair of straight line passing through the origin. If this equation represents a pair of straight line, that means this condition holds. That means this condition holds. Let this equation 2. So if this equation represents a pair of straight line, then this equation represents a pair of straight line passing through the origin. Not only that, also parallel to the first pair. Parallel to the first pair. This equation represents a pair of straight line passing through the origin and also parallel to the first pair. That means, see this.
किसको पकड़े मेरे से तो कॉल भी नहीं आ रहा, इनकमिंग बन गया। रिचार्ज कर देगी बेटा, मोबाइल गैस बुक करने वालों को। आप पापा बुला रहे हैं, सुबह मक्खन उखन का लाने गए हैं बाजिल को। हम कॉल लगा दे रहे थे।
Vasika, please turn off your mic.
That means see this. If this if equation represents a pair of straight line, then this equation also represents a pair of straight line passing through the origin, and also original and also parallel to the original pair. That means so y equals to m1x. Here y equals to m2x, or let this is m2. This is m1x. Then the equation of this straight line will be y equals to m1x plus c1. That means these two straight lines will be parallel. The theorem states that also this straight equation represents a pair of straight line passing through the origin and also parallel to the first pair. That means if the equation is here y equals to m1x plus c1, then its equation will be y equals to m1x. And similarly, if its equation will be y equals to m2x plus c2, then its equation will be y equals to m2x. And this is the point of intersection, that means alpha comma beta. This is the point of intersection alpha comma beta. And also this is the point of intersection which is 0 0. This is clear. And in for the general case, the point of intersection alpha comma beta will be given by this formula. Alpha equals to this and beta equals to this formula. Now see this, the angle theta and this angle theta, the angle will be same because because these straight lines are parallel, so the angle will be the same. And what is the angle in our previous case? The tan theta equals to, remember, tan theta equals to 2 root over h square minus ab divided by a plus b. So this is the angle between these two straight line and also these two straight line. So the straight lines will be coincident if h square equals to ab, and the straight line will be right angled if a plus b equals to 0. The same condition. The straight line will be right angle if a plus b equals to 0, and coincident if h square equals to ab. Okay, just give me some examples. Prove that the equation 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square plus 14x plus 5y plus 4 equals to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. Pair of perpendicular straight lines, sorry, pair of perpendicular straight lines. First, we have to prove that this equation represents a pair of straight line, and then the straight lines are perpendicular. So if we compare this equation with the general equation of second degree, that means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Comparing this equation with this equation, then we have a equals to 6. Here h equals to minus 5 by 2, b equals to minus 6, g equals to 7, f equals to 5 by 2, and c equals to 4. And what is the condition of a pair of straight line? The condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equals to 0. Now write this. Now calculate this. If it will be 0, then the equation represents a pair of straight line. Calculate this.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we solve this sum by determinant?
Yes, you can solve this by determinant.
If we show determinant is 0, then it is pair of straight line.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
This is the determinant form. A is G is B F G F C. This is the determinant form. This will be obviously 0. Okay.
0 আসছে।
Then this equation represents a pair of straight line. Now A plus B. What is A plus B? What is A plus B? Here A is 6 and B is minus 6. So obviously A plus B equals to 0. So the equation represents a pair of perpendicular straight line. Therefore, the equation represents a pair of straight lines. Prove that the equation x square plus 6xy plus 9y square plus 4x plus 12y equals to 5
স্যার নিচের বারটা
represents
দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
কোনটা আচ্ছা represents a pair of parallel straight line. Represents a pair of parallel straight lines and find the angle between find the not then the angle is 0 degree. Find the distance between them. Find the equation to the pair of straight lines to the origin and perpendicular to the